My name is Tarish and welcome to TK Math. And in this video, we're going to be talking about simultaneous linear equation. So let's start, shall we? Great. So basically, in simultaneous linear equations, we just need to find two variables. So as you can see in this question, find x and y when we know x plus y is equal to 20 and x minus y is equal to 10. So to solve a simultaneous linear equation, we need to have two equations. For example, when we need to just find one variable, we just have one equation, that's the minimum. If we have three variables to find, we need three equations, and like that. So let's say we just had x plus y is equal to 20. We wouldn't be able to find x and y, right? So there are two ways to solve for this question. So the first one is the subtraction method. So we need to subtract both these equations. So equation 1 and equation 2. So it's basically like how you do 20 minus 10. It's the exact same way when you need to subtract these two equations. So for the equation 2 that's on the below, we need to change the sign. So for example, if x sign was positive, now x sign would be negative, y sign, since in this case it's minus, it would become positive, and 10 sign would become negative. So we usually circle out the new signs. So plus x and minus x get cancelled, and plus y will become plus 2y, which is equal to 20 minus 10, which is 10. So y is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So now since we know 5, we can substitute y's value in both of these equations. So we can get x plus y's value, which is 5, is equal to 20, which is equal to 20. So x's value will become 15. So we send 5 to the RHS side. Sign would get exchanged, so it would become 20 minus 5, which is 15. So and also we can do x minus 5, which is equal to 10. So when we take 5 to the RHS side this time, it would become positive 5, so it would become 15. Now talking about the other method to do this problem is basically like we have x plus y is equal to 20, right? So let's say we take y is equal to 20 minus x. So what we do in this situation is we substitute this value that we got of y into the second equation that we have. Like we would substitute y's value as in, like we take equation 2 and we substitute y's value. So we would get x minus 20 plus x, which would be equal to 10. So now we again have only one variable. So then what we would get? We would get 2x. We would get 2x is equal to 30, since minus 20 would go to the other side and it would become positive. So 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So x would be equal to 15. So now the same method, we can substitute x's value in both of these equations to find y. And also one point to notice, let's say you wanted to substitute this y value that you got. Y is equal to 20 minus x. So you can't substitute it in equation 1, because if you substituted it in equation 1, you would get x plus 20 minus x is equal to 20. So you would cancel out the x's, so you would get 20 is equal to 20. So there is no use doing it this way because you're not finding any value. So this is about simultaneous linear equations. This is only the basic way of finding simultaneous linear equations. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something. Make sure to like and subscribe to TK Math, and also keep those notifications on so you never miss one of my videos.